While the Florida State House was debating the gun bill, Elizabeth Porter said that the children aren't the ones who should be passing laws. She said, "We've been told that we need to listen to the children and do what the children ask. Are there any children on this floor? Are there any children making laws? Do we allow the children to tell us that we should pass a law that says no homework, or you finish high school at the age of 12 just because they want it so?" She said. "No. The adults make the laws because we have the age, we have the wisdom, and we have the experience," she continued. The final bill that was passed by the State House included provisions that raised the age to purchase rifles from 18 to 21, allowed some school personnel to be armed during school hours, and banned the sale or possession of bump stocks, according to CNN. After Elizabeth's speech, there were some fiery responses on Twitter. Watch.